In today's digital age, patients and providers are no longer meeting for the first time in exam rooms, they're meeting online when a patient clicks on a provider's video bio. Now, that moment really matters. When a patient clicks on that provider bio, they're not just learning about their credentials, they're also asking themselves, can I trust you? All across health systems, providers really have become the face of the brand. But as we know, hospitals all across those health systems, they're recording video differently. And as a result, well, the quality varies. Some providers have video bios, some don't. Tonal changes across the board. The whole experience feels inconsistent. And that inconsistency can really not only affect the brand, but also affect the patient's choice. Today, we're going to break down what makes a provider video bio work and how health systems can build trust at scale for every one of their hospitals. The research is clear. Patients make decisions based on connection. Provider video bios help them see the provider's personality, hear their approach to care, feel reassured before they ever step through the doors. A warm tone, steady voice, and simple explanation can be enough to turn an online search into a booked appointment. And there's a business impact. Health systems using provider video bios see major gains, more clicks, more calls, and more conversions for their hospitals. Some even see their providers outrank competitors on Google simply because their video builds trust instantly. To create a provider bio video that makes a real impact, focus on 3 things. Number 1, warmth and approachability. Patients want to meet the human, not the resume. Number 2, clear, simple care philosophy. Why do you practice? What matters to you? One heartfelt sentence goes further than 30 clinical ones. Number 3, consistency across your network. Patients accept the same high first impression, no matter which hospital, clinic, or service line they choose. Here's the real challenge. When each hospital uses a different setup, different coaching, and different editing, the system's brand starts to fracture. You might have one provider video that feels polished and warm, and another that feels flat, rushed, or low quality. Patients are going to notice that difference, and it shapes how they feel about the entire organization. That's why most advanced systems use a standardized approach to provider bio videos, a process that's easy for hospitals, comfortable for providers, and consistent for the brand. What this looks like at scale: guided prompts that help providers speak naturally, portable studio kits that make filming simple, coaching frameworks that build confidence, templates that ensure brand and compliance alignment, fast professional editing, predictable costs even when recording hundreds of providers, a repeatable process every hospital can follow. This combination is exactly what Cyrano Video's Recordadoc solution was created for, to help health systems produce hundreds of trust-building provider videos without sacrificing authenticity or quality. When you help your providers show up confidently and consistently on camera, something powerful happens. Patients trust your entire system more, hospitals feel supported, and your brand becomes more human, one provider at a time. Want to elevate your provider video bios across every hospital? Contact us today and see how Recordadoc makes it easy.